In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload projects from Excel to monday.com. This process is quite simple and straightforward, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your project data with monday.com to manage your workflows more efficiently. Let's get started. First, you want to ensure you are logged into your monday.com account. Navigate to monday.com and log in using your credentials. Once in, look towards the upper region of your screen where you should see your profile icon. This is typically located right above in the interface, easily identifiable. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu with several options, one of which is labeled Import Data. Go ahead and select Import Data to proceed. As you follow these steps, you'll be taken to a new section of the site where you'll find various import options. Here you need to click on the option labeled Excel, which is specifically for importing data via Excel spreadsheets. Selecting this will initiate the process to bring over your Excel data. Now, you will see a space where you can drag your file or click to browse. If you have the file handy, you can simply drag and drop it into this area. However, if you prefer, you can click to browse your computer's file directories and locate your Excel document. It's quite user-friendly, catering to whatever method suits you best. Additionally, if you're navigating through the monday.com workspace, you might notice a plus icon. Clicking on this plus sign offers another pathway to get to the import function, further showing how flexible the platform can be regarding user preferences. Once clicked, it will allow you to select Import Data from the ensuing options. After you've chosen your file using these steps, there's an additional step where you'll want to click on Excel CSV. This function helps clarify that you're indeed importing data of this specific type, aiding the system in correctly processing the information you've provided. With your document now selected and confirmed as an Excel or CSV file, the platform will begin reading and integrating your data into its boards. Keep in mind the import process can take a moment depending on the size of your data. Once completed, you should see your projects beautifully populated in your monday.com setup, ready for you to manage, adjust, and collaborate on. Remember, the key is in those initial steps to ensure your data format matches exactly what monday.com requires, offering a smooth transition from your existing Excel projects to an interactive digital workspace. There you have it, a straightforward method to transfer your projects from Excel into monday.com. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of monday.com's robust platform, setting the stage for more organized project management. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and happy project management.